If you're experiencing billing issues with Enpass, follow these steps to resolve them quickly and efficiently. This guide will help you troubleshoot common problems and ensure your account is in good standing. Step 1. Check payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ishak.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Review subscription status. Log into your Enpass account and check your subscription status. Ensure that your subscription is active and that there are no pending payments or alerts regarding your account. Step 3. Contact customer support. If the issue persists, reach out to Enpass customer support. Provide them with detailed information about your billing issue, including any error messages you received and your account details. Step 4. Update payment information. If your payment method is outdated, update your payment information in your account settings. Make sure to save the changes and check if the billing issue is resolved. Step 5. Monitor for confirmation. After making changes or contacting support, keep an eye on your email for confirmation of any updates or resolutions. Ensure that you receive a notification regarding your billing status. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any billing issues with Enpass efficiently. If problems continue, consider reaching out to your payment provider for further assistance.